Hi guys. Today in this video, I will tell you how to create menus and how to create actions um, in your module. So once you have created your form view and tree view or search view, so how you can link it them to your menu and create actions. So let's do. So for today's exercise or practice, I'm just using Odoo15 as you can just see here. And for IDE, I just have got Visual Studio Code. So I have written some code, the basic line for tree view and form view. So first of all, I will just tell you my module name is customer. This one, as you can see, these are my custom add-ons and my custom module where I'm working today. It's the customer. So in that, my py file is first file. So if I just go there, so these are my just all the fields. And in my last video, I have just shown how to create the a sequence. So this is the code for that sequence. So if we just go in our view in our XML file, so this is my XML file. Its name is first file, and this is the code for a tree view, a simple tree view. Um, so this is the model name, which is first.class.name, and this is a tree. So I am just showing first name, last name, phone number, and email there. And this is the code of the form view. So when we just click the create button, it will open a form. And in that form, there are two groups. So in first group, these are the fields, first name, last name, phone number, gender. And in my second group, email and address. Okay, let's just erase this one. Okay, so once we create our form view and tree view, what we need to do, the third part is to create the action. What is the action view? So basically, action view is a trigger or action in response to a click on a menu, but menu item. So let's do that, and then we will create our a menu. So let's start it. Its same record ID is so this is the normal action view, and we just need to write here any ID we can give. So I say action customer details menu or anything you can write. After that, we need to give a model which is ir dot actions dot act underscore window. That's it. Sorry. So yeah, that's it. So in it, we just need to start with first field name, which is and we just need to give our name. So I say customer. So that's it. Or anything, any name you can give. The second one, we need to give type. So we give in type IR, it's the same, ir dot actions dot act underscore window. And the third part is the res model. So sorry, field name, and we need to give res underscore model. And here we just need to give the model name, which is first dot class dot name. And at last, we need to tell that what will be the sequence of what this action will open, first tree or form or only tree. So, but in this case, what we do here, we say tree and then form. So view mode, and then we say the first is tree and then form, right? Okay, so our action view has been completed now. So we just create our menus now. Okay, guys. So the first thing we will do to code for creating a menu is a menu item ID. So first we just give our first menu item, which is root menu. We normally say it. So I say that root customer menu, right? Okay, and now we need to give name. We call this customer details, right, guys? Okay, and um, met, first we need to give ID, name. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is first menu. What I will say, I would do a comment line even add here. Sorry. Just we can put any comments here if we want for just clarification. We can say that first root menu. Okay, this is the code for the second item, the same menu item ID, and any ID we say that sub menu customers. Okay, we say any name. We say customers here. Okay, and okay, after that, because in our first menu we don't need to give any parent because that is the first uh, menu item, and so in that we are not giving any parent ID, but here this is the child menu and we can make this menu a child menu, and then we need to give parent, uh, and we can give parent of this menu ID. So we just copy and paste the ID of um, the menu which we want to make the parent here. So that's it. So that's it. So what we have done, we have just created an action here, and we have just created a first menu here, only the name. Then in that menu, we have created a sub menu, and we have given ID of that menu, name is customers, and that menu will appear in parent this ID root customer menu, which is this one. And now in this menu, we can also add action as well. So when we press here in this menu, what will happen? So this is the action. We say that this action should be called here. Control V. That's it. So what we do, let's run this code and let's see what happens. So if you see, if I click here in the main menu, there is no customers here. You can see here, there's nothing here. Even this module has been installed, customer detail has been installed, but if you say in the main menu, there is no customer, discuss, contact sales, all the menu names are here, but there is nothing here. But once we upgrade this, we can see customers there because we have created a main menu there, which is customer. Oh, this is one error here. So if you see here, it's saying that invalid model name. Oh, I think this is a spelling mistake. Sorry for that. So yeah, it's S here. So let's again run this code. I hope it should be fine. No more spelling mistakes. Okay. So it's going to, oh, not again. What is this now? So let's check what is the error here. It's line 55. Sorry. Oh, sorry guys. So let's upgrade again. I hope it will be fine. Yes, it has been upgraded. So if you can see here, customer details are here. The menu customer detail is here before. Um, Even the module has been installed, but because we did not create customer details menu, we couldn't see it. But because we have created this menu item here, the name is customer details, which we can see here, customer details. And in this menu, when we click here, there is another menu which is called customers. So if we see here, the next menu, we have it customers. And in that menu, already we have given, because parent, this one, parent ID, which is root menu customers, is here, and action. So because there is only one menu already, it has been triggered. So if we go there and click customers, it has already been generated. And uh, because in our action, we have told that first to open tree and then form. So if you see here, when we click customer details, so this is a tree. This is a tree view. If you look here, this is a tree view. And once we press in any record set, it will open the form view. If you see here, view type is form. And if we go back in tree view, so its view type is list. So list and tree, it's equivalent. So this is, guys, how you can create actions and menu items. And one more thing, if let's suppose you want to make more menus, so you can create another menu here with new name, a new ID, new name. And in parent, if you want to give this second sub menu as a parent or the first one, it's up to you. It's up to you how many menus you want to create. If you want to create more sub menus in the under the parent of only the main menu, you can do that. So it means when you will press customer details, you can make different sub menus, and in that sub menus you can create more and more menu buttons, menus, and then actions attached to them. So thank you so much. This is how we can create actions and menus. And I have also given you some hint about the tree view and a form view. In my next video, I will also tell you how to create a form view or a list view or tree view, and how to create search view as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please, if you like the video, please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.